Hello and welcome to Capstone Location 6, Sydney, Australia. The threat is that Earth will get too warm and because it takes so long for what we do today to have an effect, we will not be able to immediately stop anything. With the use of different climate intervention methods, carbon dioxide removal, and solar radiation management, the issue is that these practices come at a high cost. There's not much we can do with today's technology and as prices are too high because of traditional greenhouse gas mitigation options are far less expensive. The issue is that the timeline of what we want to ensure first has to happen first. If we choose to continue with the traditional plans of mitigation through cleaner and sustainable methods moving forward, we can see a future with less carbon emissions. This choice will eventually lead us to clean air of metropolitan areas that suffer from immense smog, like Sydney, or comparable to cities in the US like Los Angeles or New York. Cities like these, which already have a history of that go along with smog, will only get worse. Warmer temperatures can carry large amounts of water, allowing for hazardous conditions to continue to get worse. This process will take a long time, but in effect, repair all damage is done. Hopefully, but if we were to choose a traditional method to treat the temperature change, we will still be relevant, but at a lesser extent. While the carbon dioxide removal methods literally take carbon from the air, it does not stop the emissions from happening. SRM is, in turn, does the same. It can protect us from the heat but does not stop the emissions. Only with the combination of traditional mitigation and innovation practices will we be able to see a clean and sustainable climate. Short-lived climate pollutants are also helpful because they give us what we need in terms of fossil fuels, but have short-term effects in terms of our environment.